What are you doing outside? How'd you get here? Alright, in case you guys are wondering why she was out in the first place, that's why. Alright, it's up there. The hangar got upgraded to LED lights and they look amazing. So that's why she was out for a couple of days, so the airport guys could come in here with their lifts and get up to the lights and change them. Alright. So I'm just going to sit you guys down so I can get a hand here. Alright, safely back in the hangar, and we're prepping to do something with the jet. And probably notice Jack back here. We're getting the jacks ready because over here on the right main we got a small issue that we've suspected for a while, and this is very likely why we're not getting good gear swings. Is one of the strut seals inside the gear went bad. And what we're thinking happened because for those that don't know, the struts on this, there's a lower chamber and an upper chamber, and each have different pressures on it as far as the air pressure that you fill it, normally with nitrogen. And what we think happened is, I think the lower has the higher pressure, that it leaked into the upper and overpressured the upper in a way that it has difficulty sucking the gear back up on a retraction, so that it gets hung up on its way up. So this just kind of solidifies that, because we pressurized this prior to the air show and we haven't touched it since, and it's bled down. So we do have, in one of the crates next door, we do have a brand new strut assembly. One for each side. So what we're prepping to do is lift this thing up on jacks and get these off the ground and get the wheel off and get everything ready to hang a new strut on the aircraft and get it rigged up and ready to go, and then test it. So that's what we got going on today. All right, one last thing I wanted to do today. I just came back from lunch, so I made sure that the lights, the timer on the lights clicked off. So let's go see how well these LED lights light up the hangar with the door shut. All right, as you can see, there's the jet, and we're gonna click these lights on. Wow. Those things are instantly... I don't know about you guys, but I like this. Those lights came on immediately. It's not like the old sodium lights where they had to warm up and then they would give us some light. And what I love about this is it's not that orange light either. This is a huge difference, and I'm loving this right now. Wow. All right, so to recap what we got going on, we got 4 big things that we got to take care of. One, lift her up, service that right main gear. Rocket motors for the seats. Replace the right-hand transformer rectifier. That should be coming back to us in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Fingers crossed on that one that we get it back sooner. And then the fourth item is to put the fuel filter back on the right engine. So I did find a bolt for that. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but I did find a bolt. So we'll be getting that back on soon. So anyway, that's what we got going on this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.